Hello all, just a minute please.
I see that look in your eyes. It makes me go blind, cut me deep. These secrets and lies, storm in the quiet. Feel the fury closing in. All resistance wearing thin. Nowhere to run from all of this havoc. Nowhere to hide from all of this madness, 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 madness. Feel the fury closing in. All resistance wearing thin. Nowhere to run from all of this havoc. Nowhere to hide from all of this madness, 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 madness. Madness, madness. Fast as I can, you know where I'm going, you know who I am. Not one to say that I can't, threatening me, drawing lines in the sand. Adrenaline responding, all or nothing, feel it coming. And my heartbeat thundering, you're still wondering where it's coming from. Feel it in my chest, now it's in my head. Do you understand? My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream.
You must think I have a death wish, leaving everybody breathless. It's always my time, the city is mine. You should learn to just accept it. Royalty is in my DNA. I'll never be the type to settle for okay. See me coming up, yeah, I'm on the way. Covered out of stone, it'll never fade. Heart of a gladiator, I'm back on my Terminator. One look and they turn to vapor. I'm kind of an instigator, but not of the frying pan, but life's an incinerator. You feeling my energy like I'm plugged to a generator. Accelerating till it's full speed. No one will prosper against me. Do you understand? Do you understand? Do you understand?
My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. 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 Bloodstream. Venom in my veins, sparks go up in flames, can't just walk away. Reckless is my name, overkill insane, careful what you say. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream. 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 My blood, my bloodstream. My blood, my blood, my bloodstream.
Was it? That's John. Yeah. Hello and welcome back to Asphalt Legend Unite on these. Well, it was a fine ass day. Long actually. 15 October, Wednesday. Wetness day. So back up to these 182nd, 182 actually episode on these definition for real, sorry. Ah. Not feeling fine very well today. A little bit extreme exhaust, better say. But I feel a little bit stomach ill. I just want to drink 2 beers and actually a half burger, so half liter. And then going to sleep. So today only 21 o'clock. Of course, this construction site, what I just did yesterday, I talked about that to dry laying actually the concrete wall. Or better say an old concrete wall, brick wall. Was giving me really today a little bit shit. Thought that's gonna be easy today, but double times the crap coming up. So we brought on the plaster as well, and just the stuffed actually these holes there as well. And yeah, I hit a little bit the floor, pump it up a bit, so we have to reduce that one. So we kicked out the stones, bricks, better say, and just rebuild it then. And that cost a long time. So it was 12:08 to 16 o'clock. Actually 8 hours long today. Well, I'm so destroyed. I don't know, maybe that's my pills or something. These hard pills, I don't know. I'm destroyed today. So, you want 15-minute extra live stream, sorry for that one. Took some orders, make some food, was one time to the toilet. And yeah, did actually these live stream stuff up. So let's just enjoy a little bit here. Yesterday I was a little bit grumpy in the last 1.5 hours. Sometimes it always happens. The game has a new upgrade or update, or update, whatever it is. Then. Class. What it do? I don't know. Just at the end of this game, maybe they change something. You have to pay more stuff for something else, like the paint cost, or maybe now we have to pay for nitro in the game. What the hell? No, I don't know. Let's just see. Yeah, it's okay, go away. I have not much money here. Oh. How do you want to pay for that? You don't have. It would. So first up, cheers up, Campaigner soll es nicht, so wie Gold auf die Nei, Tschüssen, schaut, irgendwas, schauen wir mal. Ordentlich eingeholt. Ja, nee, Schmarrn. My music is not running. What's wrong? Spotify is coming up sooner or later. Where's the playlist? Here's the playlist. There's the playlist. Let's play something. Just make a jam. Here we go. Make a jam. I make the jam. Music's still not running in my ears. Liked it. I mean, leaked it. Copied it. There's my cell phone. The hell? Whoa! Holy fuck! Why so loud all the time, you bastard? Ah, I was at 200 decibels in my ears. Holy fuck. Mother in hell.
Spotty Jam live in here, URL.
Life, or whatever. Ah, shocked. Bisschen empfindlich heute. Böbchen. Yesterday was a 5 hours live stream, holy moly fucking hell. I just did there. Oh my god. So let's get the music away as well. Fucking sake, 5 hours. Already tired. Oh crack. Ow. So the link is out, top chat, live chat, also in the description, but this is not the live jam on Spotify. So you can right now actually listen for what I'm listening for and stuff like that. Finish the race. Can we do done that? Oh, I'm not sure. Where's the t-shirt, goddammit? It's naughty as well. Sometimes I wish I just want to fall in my coffin and just get the nails in a 36 and throw me into the river or something. I don't know. It's kind of this crack. Woo! So I get frozen stuff, I get alcohol, and I get, with that, hold on. Catch up once. Oh, are you kidding me? Yeah, that was a mistake. On Friday. Yeah, wonderful. And the kitten here, the powwow, actually are still running over the night. I totally forgot actually her, the pow pow cat, actually, to send her off. Hello, enjoy. Got the Mac and Nitro the bed. Cheers. Boah, ist schon noch was drin. Boah. Komm, warte mal, was hat er gesagt? Du hast ihn so gerade reingehauen. Den Mann, der schon kummer. Wie weg, Mann. Könnte man mir die Finger schmieren, jetzt fix. Hurry, hurry, hurry! Give you hurry, hurry, hurry. Nobody's watching anyway. Timberley! Arnica Gelatic. Ice cold. Died in his last 9 streams. That's what the ghost don't understand. I do know. Oh, stinkt das Zeug wieder, ey. Der Ventilator ist ja nicht an, da kann ich ja rauchen, was ich will. Oh, jetzt hänge ich hier wieder. Was ist das? For fuck's sake, right? Here we go again. Ich muss den Carpet mal richtig rausrupfen, Alter. Tomorrow is plaster work. Installation work. Friday, actually, what we dealing done? Bricklaying, yeah. The end of the bricklaying of this construction site then. Schaffe ich schon. No. Verschluckt. Yes, that's more here. If you're pulping and it's just having problems to cough, actually, I mean to breathe. Let's keep on moving while at home. Just race and win. Oh, I mean, you don't need to win. Cars are not ready yet. Police. Ho ho. Oh Gott, das passiert ja jetzt auch. Oh my gosh! Crackle a crack! Oh, nicely to see you. Oh, wonderful! Into the household! Hey guys, you earned a new car. Why the popo stop? Sake. Why did you stop? Programmed. Got the thought actually this is the ending. It's the super stopper. That's why. This program. Ah, we finished. 140, hey cool, look at that. There's something. What the hell? Shut up. Shashlik Spies. Somebody say something? No. We don't have a B class. Do something. Just a sec. Okay. Oh, schaut ihr schon neu. Cheesy, easy peasy. Ah, warum geht's mir halt so dreckig und so schlecht? Say, give it a try. Number 3, right? No. Ah, we don't have the car, right? Yeah. And this is not counting, actually. We in trouble! Well, let's try again then. Keep on moving! Talk about it. What the hell? Schleiche. Oh, what the heck? Yes, I think it was faster, 10 seconds or something. Or was it a 159? I can't remember. Maybe a 139, that kind of happened. Come on, show up. Ah, we go better. Just a 2 seconds, but whatever. The help. Whoa. Oh, you are whoa, as well. Oh, nobody's watching, so I make a little food then. Gotta say, I just already did that, but just making it incredible better. No, I didn't say actually worse. Let's see what we have. Corn. Whoa, don't swing so. Beans. Or olives. What you want? Just shake it for that. Hold on, what's that? It should be beans, okay. Corn is not so good right now. Or was it don't eat beans and eat more corn? Flavor Flav, what? I don't know what's going on in here. Ugh. There's always a switch on the kitchen so far away, god damn it. We'll just make this up. Glucky, glucky, glucky. Gluck, 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 glucky, glucky. Krieg ich Schnaps hier, oder? Was ist hier los? Glaubt ihr, dass ich hier kein Dosenfutter habe, oder was? Oh, lass mal essen hier. Oh, salzige Oliven, Alter. Hammer. Tasty motherfucking crack. Oh, Alter, warum machen die Dosen immer so eng zu? Brutal. Here come the beans. Wow. Sweet. What's that calling? Was heißt denn? Scharf, sauer. Nein, warte mal. Sweet, aromatic, and I don't know what it is then. It's getting sharp. Süß-sauer wird es bei uns heißen, aber da ist noch irgendwie so eine Erdbeermarmelade oder so da drin. Ja klar, und das nimmst du jetzt alles mit der Hand raus, oder? Ja, freilich. Zieh mal raus hier. Ganzen Schinken. Oh. Can't even right now, Ex. Oh. Wow. Jalapeno stuff, god damn it. That pumps in again. The cheese finger food. Oh my gosh. think all the other was. Was. Rein. Draußen. Dann machen wir sauber. Das ganze Gekrümel da. Here we go. Oh, so good. Oh, finally something good. Cold. What we may have today. And normally I was saying actually the blueprint of the B vehicle car for GT MK5 4. I'm sorry. Trying to fart. So we need. Oh, we have it. Okay, 800, 750. So we have 750 and we need 800. What the hell? So we've come yesterday a little bit forward as on another account as well. I remember. I think it was Dav Nation CBE. Do stunts, finish the race, collect, and race. That's all. Easy peasy, right? I think. So, 5,500 yards we need. That's fine. Cheers auf Kampagne, glaube ich. So wie soll Gold groß in geschissen. Stunts! Stunts! Das ist knapp auf die Kisten, oder? Ah. Yes! Oh, crack! Oh my god! Stunts? Stunts? We have 25 seconds left. You just grabbed nothing? Moron! Oh gosh! Hey, that was very close. Okay. What just happened? You're just gonna tell me what just happened. Actually, we got everything. 1, 2. Here we go. Huh. Oh, totally forgot that other one. 5,100. Oh, I say only 5,500 should be good. But it's 5,100. Blah blah. But 2,000. Okay, we got it. Whatever. I'm talking too much. Schizophrenia or something. I am a miserable or something. No. Miserable. What is that? Oh no! For the trade can. Get some trade coins the first time in your life. There they are. How many we get for that? For 10. Oh. wasn't a fine ass car. Why next? Go forward with that. Not once I just want to go. What the hell? I know the routine right now, you got it. Shut up. Good night. Sleep, soon as I. Speak. First stun. Oh, what the hell? I get reported a bit. Oh, come on. Inside gull. Oh, not again! My gosh, I get fucked and tricked up all the time. Well, I mean the second time, but... Oh, for sake, crap. 4 seconds left. Or lesser, better say. Dog. 40 yards more. I'll be happy. And we got 8 Blizzard assigned symbols. What is that? One left, and actually 2 to buy, or maybe tomorrow. I mean, 1 left. Yeah, 1 left. What should I say? I think. Music is so loud in my earplug. Sorry for that one. How the hell you dealing done actually today for yourself in the construction work maybe, or actually somewhere else in the work, or just you dealing done in the household? I don't know what the hell you're dealing done with, or maybe you're changing your tire work already in your car. Briefing. Just kidding. Not that one. Yeah. What do you mean with that? Get pumpy the last time. Pumpy. New dimension. Oh shit. Was it verb? I don't know, let's see. Nah, it wasn't. He's back. Whoa. Not another one. Oh, come on. Oh, this is gonna be a close one. Oh, we're even getting better. Wow, okay. But I fucked my car up twice. Something wasn't worth. Okay, another 2-1 then. Everything's on ass. Tomorrow then. And once a promo live, run actually on this other car then. How so far you doing that? First just accepted in here. What? Multiplayer. No. Would you shut the fuck up or something like you just want to deal done? Better not. Look at that, Japanese guys. Wabasama as well. Oh, Wabasama. Oh, the server connection is amazing, burst. Maybe because the Japanese dudes. I don't know. Oh, that's much better. Now it's getting worse again. What the happened? Oh, come on, crack. I can drive fast as shit. But the connections are a little bit weirdo. But nothing happened here. Everybody have green status. Hey, what was that? So wanky time. Oh man, Bubble Sama actually did the most best. And I fucked up. God damn it. It's just a game. What's a gun doing on my head? Oh, hello, sir. Is this gun load? Yeah. This is not money. This is my earning actually a month as a construction worker. You can be a special construction worker, it doesn't matter. That's the money, and the prices are going higher for food and material. They give a fuck, you know, on construction workers. Hey, if you're sober, let's drive the BMW. Or maybe not. Hello? ES undercover. Alles klar. What the hell? You're not even driving an I car. You've got eyes. Whoa, crack, I totally forgot that one. Sonic Road. Oh, very suspicious road, goddammit. Whoa, here we go, the connection. Oh my gosh. I doubled up my internet and the upload is actually doubled up. But look at that, what happened here? Oh my gosh. Oh, the cheating. Whoa, I can't even drive anymore. What is this? Better, worse. Shoot sake. Ein Durcheinander, das ist ein Leckbit almost. Come on. Oh, come on, what the hell? What is this shaking here in the live stream? Oh my gosh. And I saw actually guys under the race, they're having actually a very worse connection. An Expo GTX. What the hell, man? You're glitching the game. Yeah, better run. Nice, I hated it. What's the split screen doing? I hate split screen. So it's actually a cool play offline, right? Oh my gosh. I don't know what's going on today. Stomach ill or something. Nah, you can't go there. Bad boy. Oh, come on. What's the thieving done with all these stuff? What I need is an upgrade. Sake stuff. Maxed out. In your fantasy. So, more grip, huh? Mr. Challenger. Already starting not to burn my fingers because my cigarette will actually all be, that 1 centimeter something's cracked. Was that 125 parts of a 1 yard or something? She's up kapine, that's what we said. So this got the next game. Education was never my style. Kampai. So Friday, eh? Starting up at the Spur guys again. Drinking over the weekend, I would. You must really get bored or something. Stretching. Hey, before we dealing down that one, a new bundle of joy we have reached. Car packs are now level 6. And whatever. Making a part of it, something like a wreck fast or whatever. I'm not funny today, I know. I'm sorry for that one. Apologize, it's cracked. You claim car packs from the shop. 3 of 3. Oh, mother and hell, these blueprints. Thank you very much. Go to the trash can. Ooh, look at that, VW. These cars are driven actually in my town in Germany. Or towns. Ooh, something sweet. There's a free package. They're always hiding them. Nope. Nope. But the free package are the loading ones. They're still loading, right? yeah. Kind of this crack. What's this car have? Well, 179 conditions of actually completely run off and wrecking your car all the time. Maybe you get a package then. Oh, for sake, goddammit. We shouldn't choose. Oh yeah, you should get pumped up for nonsense, but we need the car. Yeah, after these, oh gosh, I can't remember. This paradise, blah blah blah, career mode there. Career mode. When I say career mode, goddammit, you know what I'm saying. This game has no career mode. A career mode is actually something bounded with a little story in there. That's too much expensive, my sir. Hold on, man. Is this hentai manga stuff in here coming up? Oh, please, what are we playing for? Some Hololive Productions. What is this? VIP pack requires a level 1. When I get my level 1? Unlike upgrade exclusive privilege, blah blah, and here and there. And good night. Ooh, is this kind of killing floor music? Alright, we donate somebody else. Good, great. Don't forget to press, actually. I always forget, and just confirm, I just get then actually the D1 star for the other accounts I have. Sunyake. So these are my 4 accounts: Yamamoto Unijiro, DevNation CB, DevNation for Real, the newest one, and the Platin account, DJ Wojin. I don't know what's happened to Sarah. Mentally deaf or something on this game, and I feel with. Yesterday we was on level position actually 50,100 something else. Ooh, we've grown a bit. I have no time to play the other 2 accounts or 3 accounts anymore. What shall be? Sorry. Yeah, we on it. Yeah, we earned a bit. Easy up. Where are we going? Oh, you're going there where I just wanna go. Come on, give me the master. Can you shut the fuck up and just actually playing the video game? I'm watching too much actually. 4 presidents are playing bad games or something. Yeah. No, I'm talking to myself. Exactly. What the heck? Challenges. Claim them. I don't want to claim them. Yeah, upgrade my car, that's a problem. I can't upgrade a car. No chance today, no alcohol. One multiplayer is left off. Something to upgrade cars we have. No. That's bad. It's seriously bad. Never happened to myself. So if you have to upgrade maybe your multiplayer car, we don't have and exist, but can play with. Nice music. Wow, there's a lot of B cars. Even in my other accounts, I have no much B cars. Only A and S cars, but B is missing in the most accounts I have. This is crazy. More B, A, and S cars actually as DC cars. What the hell? Lotion like in my boat. What's that calling? Get emotion like. Let's make this car into emotion or something. I don't know what that calls anyway. So they're maxed out. Hold on. And then I play the other one again. Pump them up. You can't. You fucked up. Yeah, well, do another one. Paradise. 35 minutes left. Nice musical. Wobble-sama! Here we go again. Oh, he's the enemy side. Ganbarimasu. I think we won against. Where's Wobble-sama? Oh, of course, first. Holy shit. His DB11 is good. Because Wobble-sama is playing PlayStation 4 Pro, you know what I'm saying? So the DB11 is actually a watch out. Let's get into emotion. Let's go in career mode. from mid. People don't want to watch tonight. I'm okay with that. Have a nice time. Bye bye. 69. Another one. Wow, 165 flags already. This is the 4th live stream on this account. Respect. What do you want from us? Paradise. Won't you shut up the fuck? You're a pumpy car, aren't you, right? Can we use down something for you? In your existence? 99, that's a nice number. Cheers. Oh, bien, bien. Nice color, but I don't like it. Mehr Spinner hinter mir. I think you won. I need to go to the toilet and pee off. Yeah, congratulations. Gumbarmouth. Good luck. To go to the toilet and pee off. Or maybe you're dying on that. I feel so exhausted today. Holy moly and shit. I followed the ass. What the hell are you looking at, Tomiro? 38 in playing this video games there? Oh my god. Worst action ever in your life. Well, hey, look at that. My construction worker friends there, if they have a home without a garden and balcony, they get really bored. They're ringing, they want to drink with you. I have no garden anymore. This is so... They can't stay at home the next 2 hours or something. They need to get out. So you're sitting in a compound until 5 o'clock p.m. because you have to write down the material, the hours, and some they just came over and you say, huh? What the hell are you doing down in here? It's 6 o'clock. I'll be so lonely at home. I have no balcony, no garden. Oh, yeah, I understand you. So, I can't understand how people's actually sitting in a close-up apartment by 60 quadrat meters and can do that over days. I say I'm playing video games. This is my fantasy illusion or something. At the same time, I'm cooking, cleaning up, and be ready for tomorrow. Prepare actually and stuff. Yeah, that's these guys that just going to work, working, going home, eating, and well then have no life. I have life. You're listening, right, when I'm talking? So I don't want to talk to the wall again. Close your ears because I'm shitting right down the toilet. That's very interesting on a live stream to do that. Oh my god. I think I'm eating too much rum balls and shellatic stuff. Because I tried to. Shit? Oh shit, yeah. Let's get the car in motion. Do not know what he's talking about. His life's good going on, and I don't know my English part. Oh, what the hell is that? Peeing and shitting at the same time, and actually, what? Coughing. All the way through illness. Nah, I just yesterday I eat a lot. But I lost a lot of weight today by sweating. And that's why I'm sitting on the toilet and dealing down a little bit hard balls out of my butthole. Man, I sweat too much more today, but I didn't actually recognize that. Only I saw actually in the side mirrors of the car, oh wow, my t-shirt is completely wet. And it's 5 degrees. I mean, what the hell? Nah, the work was a little bit... It's just these bricklaying walls to dry them off with nickel chromatic plates of steel. I was very exhausted today in work. I thought actually twice of falling down. It's just well, I lay down then and waiting actually for the next half hour to reproduce power for my body system. Body system. This does a body count system to offer. Yeah. The car's still driving. We didn't end actually the car game work. Just we never get into the finish line ever before. Oh gosh, please shoot myself. My English again starting up to get crampy. What was that? Oh crap. Did I press the button on the PlayStation 4 controller here? No, I didn't. You have really problems to get in there, right? Geez, coughing. Friday, Saturday, the last week, actually, I overdosed a little bit with drinking and having fun on cigarettes. Smoking ain't rocks, goddammit, kids. Don't start even up. Oh, my tires are just falling off the car? Just kidding. Fucking hell. Money cash in. I accept that one. Career mode. Credits coming in. How offensive or defensive or just actually you're playing a good run. Having 3 challenges is 1. How more credits you get in the total then. Somebody just opened up my jacket. Must be a demon in my room. Did try to give me a like. And I apologize that you just watched in here or just liked something here or just subscribed. Don't do that. But a like should be always cool. If you just like actually something, even the show or myself in here in the live stream is a piece of mother in hell, you know, crapped and spanked that, whatever. Just have fun with that. Even I don't have today, but I'm so lousy up. See that in here? We have right now race goals, 3 challenges. Win the race, nitro time 20 seconds, stunts the 5. That gives good money if you just do that once, actually and completely getting through done. Music is so loud I don't know what I'm talking English part. I feel like actually a school child or something started up this talking English parts. What just happened? No risk, no fun. "20 seconds nitro, that's much." Jumpy jumpy, distancy. Sandwich, right, Ganbarimas. So yo. Win the race. Fine race. Thought actually I'm losing. Something is missing on these DS. It's a spoiler actually in the back on the trunk. The aerodynamic flow stuff. God damn it. Working like hell. Was the pre-model action of the Bugatti. Wow, here we go. Money cash in. Can be 20k more, but oh well. Better than nothing. We only rolling forward. Himalaya again. Oh, it's time attack. Oh. Fantasy. Chisak kampagner slår vi så dyrt ut går prost litt mer schissen av oss og richtig hart. Og nicht reingedonnert. Den ganzen Tisch verlatter Scheißdreck. I know what it says. Almost saved with that vehicle. I need to change something here. My headset, earplugs. That's much better. I don't hear myself anymore. It was a gangster's paradise, my home, bro. Hör mal zu, jo. Digga. Ich schlag dich die ganze Tag. Oh mein Gott. Was hier gesagt wird. Ja, mehr Scheiße unterm Scheißhaus, unter Scheißhaus. Was verzapft der da, Alter? Scheiße. Ah, Scheiße, ja. Schloss Scheiß am P. H. Am H. Guck mal, ich hab da was Schöneres. Was war denn? Cheers. Well, we have the deal done. Finish the race. 50 seconds left. Well, that's the finish line, right? Yeah. Let's drive backwards. Ah, could reach only one. Oh, mother in hell. I was scratching my what's it calling? Forehead? Gonna be close. Not anymore. If you're racing and have actually with one hand to scratch your forehead, how the hell? You need two hands for having these control in your hand. That's bullcrap. Now that dampy. Live. Ah, that's okay. 16 left. Well, yesterday, 4 hours and 50 whatever, so close to 5 hours live stream. Holy shit. Twice the burr, guys, and 9 beers. What the mother in hell. Not today, please. I want to have a little mean time on myself to watching some YouTube videos. Go to sleep. Even watching actually MacGyver or something videos. I don't care, but I just let's see. Oh, look at that, we run out already on alcohol. I mean on gas and stuff. Yeah, bullshit. Let's sink in. I can't upgrade a car. I don't have a car to upgrade. I can't buy it even. Fuck. Whatever. You want from us? Well, oh, challenge is done. That's 105, 106. I don't want to take that. Let's do something else. Claim, 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 claim. I don't care. You have a car for racing this. You have a car for racing this one as well. What's happening? I'm getting old or something. This crack. Cock. Tequila. Pew, pew. Oh. the knockdowns. Simply one. And maybe you try to win. It's 100 ranks recommended XP up for me, but nothing more. These dull faces. Was that a sentence? No, knockdown. No, knockdown. I have to smoke a cigarette, I can't speak anymore. Wow, miracle! That was a garage level, man. For sake. Got it. One guy. One guy. Stop. Oh no. Not right now, I mean. Your reaction time is 0 today. Oh my gosh. Yes, my doors are closed. Yes, my doors are closed. In GTA 5, you never be sure what I'm dealing done with that, but there's nonsensely actually GTA 5. I'm playing them sometimes. Not anymore, but I just want to deal done that one. The last one was Skyrim, so Skydings, so it was fun as well. Shooting everyone with the bow and stuff, but whatever. I will actually go maybe on this weekend then, on Friday or Sunday, to GTA Nonsense, or I call it in German, GTA Sinnlos. Sinnlos GTA 5, here we go. So Nonsensely GTA 5. I like to play that, being a cab driver, and being an idiot, and having fun. Let's get this car in an emotion. Why this just happened? Why we have to stop? Not another one. The fucking sake, shut up then. Will happen another one again. Let's get this car in motion. Cool. We crashed. We took actually the floor upside down? Something like that. Getting tired of my home. Oh, it's much better right now. Augenspülungen. Möglich. Some dirt actually in my left eye. On my right eye actually. Pull up. Can be actually a stone from the bricks. That's between actually the nose flank and actually the eye on the right side. Oh, maybe something bigger. But that little bullshit away. Cheers. uttryckte sånne dager. "60 seconds of pain. Yabba yabba." Ross Carver, the German vehicle. Get into it great by yourself. Hey, I destroyed you, what the fuck? Why are you driving still? You piece of lousy mother truck. I get crashed? Since when that happened? In the career mode? Oh, that is very lousy in here. Piece of shit. Why the police can crash me? Since when? I slipped them down. I crashed them by actually being done a 360. Nothing works on them. You son of a moldy. I hate you. That is video proof, goddammit. Twice I crashed them. Nothing happened, but they crashed me in a corner. Wow, what the fuck? Extra delicious. Get away into sinking water or something. There we go. Push then actually the hyper button. The police guy didn't crash. Pushes me in the other direction. And the other guy comes up and wow. You just pressed and stopped immediately his car. You son of a... And then I try to crash him. Nope. Unbelievable. Cheater! The AI just cheated on us. Unbelievable. Wanna have a 24 plus? Get it. Boom. Oh, that was late. Holy shit. Pressed before the 6. You having an open bill, goddammit, actually your revenge. I'm going to toilet and pee off. Have fun, guys. Thank you very much for watching a while. I take myself actually a thumb up. Oh, I like my own live stream. Because nobody else want to deal done with that. And even right now, actually more than 15 people just already watched it. Maybe it's my talking. Maybe I'm talking English. I'm German Bavarian. Who cares? I don't care. I'm a construction worker. I'm a single player. And no, I don't go schizophrenic or something. I don't have that. I just like to talk to the wall, actually to the live watchers or something, you know. But sometimes I get a comment down below, actually between 1 and 8 years old. Yeah, wonderful. There's no intelligentical life anymore in these live streams on myself since the last 7 years. Since I have the PlayStation 4. Since... Wow, 12 years now. Holy moly. Close to 12 years. That's very sad. I need a rope and a hook. Don't ask for wood. Other people actually need a gun and a bullet. Now you got it, right? I hate my life. Oh my god. I like it, but I hate it at the same time. I think there's a construction work and the permanently extra private work. Ah, now I can shut it off. Oh man, I feel so fucked up today. Bleh. Life. Bleh. Oh, it's getting a little bit colder in here. Why have a jacket on, but everything else is nudie? Why is this ventilation system running? Well, we have actually 4 degrees out there. I don't know. Sucker. Oh, sucker. You can see it in your life. Yeah, whatever. which you win the race. Let's try to deal it done. Sunny itch. Great. Done by the mouse. Another BMW. That's weird. Get away! Whoa! Miki, Hindori, I don't care. I'm just a barbarian German. I think that's the finish line. Are they just coming through? And the opposite side? Wow. That was fast on me. Holy shit. That was the other side actually in a tunnel. Oh my gosh. That was fast. But the corner was actually 90 degrees or something, right? Let's check it out. The 90 degrees was costing them actually 4 seconds. 3 seconds, 4 seconds. What's that? Definition for real? Who the hell is that? This mother tucker. Fistro. Motor. Pori and White Wolf. Chronoloord. Okay, now it's gonna be a little bit weird in here. I think I need a whole protecting system on myself. Japanese don't have problems to say actually it's a full body condom or something. I'm sorry. Yeah, there was only one stuff to be done. So that's why so less money. But accept that one. Somehow fun. Full body condom. Oh my gosh. I think that was famous in the 80s, 90s actually in this kind of fun shows or something. Complete or whatever. I don't want to talk about that one right now. Maybe kids have actually walked in here or just I don't know what they're dealing down, sitting in a shit house and just watching my bearded live stream. Totally forgot actually to run out of toilet paper like actually Jesus or God as well. But Jesus is more like actually running out of wine where actually God saying, oh hell no, what the heck is going on? Run out of toilet paper again. Let it rain. Oh my gosh. No, it's the last one. Oh crap, really? Nani Batur. Yeah, guess what? Whoa! Oh, now it's gonna be close. Oh. Don't brings nothing. I think we're losing this one, but I try my best. I'm not a quitter. Cheers up, Kampai, en short is jullie, zo doet kort berost die next beam. Cheers. Kanpai. Holy crack. What just happened? Kind of put them on it. They don't like it. Parked in there. first, the guy in the tunnel system. I couldn't decide left or right, god damn it. Oh, get away from my car! Not yet. Yeah, we got that one. That was nice. I loved it. Kawaii. Yes, kawaii. Sugoi. Why are you so aggressive? What are you talking about? Suimasu? Wakarimasu? I don't know. Money cash in. I think there was a wasp or something, right? Yeah, something hit me on the head. Congratulations! You have completed the season. The Heart of Kansai. Claim, 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 claim. Ah, I don't want. What happened? Los Demonicos. I think there's a problem to win in this. Yeah, yesterday we gave up for that one. We can win that one, easy up. You recommend it. Have fun. Just win. "30 seconds of pain." Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. Let's get over here. Get over here. Have you crashed? Watch out! You don't want to crash, right? I'm laughing out my lungs. No. Go. I winked away. Missed. Cosmic. Last run for the refill. Gotta be a tight one. Not tired. Sorry. I'm coming through. Oh crap, what the hell? Taxi! Oh my gosh. Just to be sure. Not running out of nitro in the end. Tcha! That was amazing good. What the fuck, man? What's with the fuck? Fucked up the race. Nimble good without actually being manually. Where was Snooky, fucking hell? I actually missed that. That Dinks girl there. Cairo. Wait for the Lotus. Something big. Yeah, okay. 12 left. Already I'm itching. Okay, cool. There must be a mosquito somewhere in this coldness. Yeah, it's, I don't know. They're popping up all the times. Oh my gosh, my back. Oh, can't take other pills because I'm taking hard pills already. Since 4 weeks now. Rewards. The mage. Shut up, muscle. 5 stuns, okay. No, but where's this Delta Integral actually do gas? Holy shit. I couldn't resist. What the fuck? I'm sorry for that one. Holy moly! Trunk destruction! We'll have a little time. Left. Snooky, we coming! Lol. Whoopee! Ah, that's a Chimera Evo 37. I thought that's an Integral. Oh, okay. Stupid. The Andre. Pixie Fistro again. What names are they? Oh, man, I really don't like it. I think you want some. Enjoy your 64. Wow, here we go. That is nice as shit. My record was 72,000 credits, but that is one of the last month actually the biggest score on total credits. Even I crashed actually hard. You have to crash more, maybe you get more credits, but you have to win then. I need to go to pee again. I'm so sorry. It's the beer, not the alcohol. I'm drinking beer, actually Berg Eyes, but there are more Smirnoff inside in it. Smirnoff Ice with 4%. It's like water for me. Ah, hat der Bauer gesagt. Er ist aus dem Bullock ausgestiegen. Und der ganze Scheißdreck aus seinen Schuhe rausgelaufen. Ja, jetzt meine ich, habe ich den Tod nicht erraten, weil ich beim Scheißen war. Kuckuck! Kuckuck! Das hält aber echt gut. Oh, my throat hurts. Talking too much, was too dusty very much, drink less. It's getting autumn time. There's a spring break. Is there an autumn break as well? Yeah. It's the lousy noises of a German Bavarian that try to everything get the blood or pee and get off. Getting empty, better say. I feel comfortable. How's the beer dealing? Yeah, let's drink another one. Come on. Just the 8 beer then. 8 beer and 1 actually Berg Eyes. But it's not a Berg Eyes. It's a half Berg Eyes. Neighbor. How he can see in the dark. Ah, of course. Lightnings. Oh. Okay. Ein leichter Temperaturabfall. Wird schon werden. Oh. Let's go. Schizophrenie. It's more like the hog ups. What's that calling? Stockholm syndrome. No, I pressed the button. Oh, cheap Chinese controllers of PlayStation 4. Oh my gosh. And another lost race. Why you open the beer when there is still a beer honking up here? Ah, my gosh, my hair is itchy. There's a mosquito flying around or just sting me, like actually on my forefinger here. My finger, I mean. Then everything is starting up to itchy. God damn it. Hey, there's some drifting part. Have fun. Let me guess. Police. Po-po. Win by drift. Della suerte. Ci sono campagna, suave seguito, the next stream. Thank you very much for watching. And hey, thumb up. If you wanna like it or dislike it, do it. Cool. Like it. Thank you. Oh, what the hell is that? Oh, come on! That was so fantastic! I hate that stuff. It's 21:17. It's 9 o'clock, 17 p.m. Why it do that? That was perfect. Oh, I was so close to win it. Why are you just doing that? Oh, come on, you asswipe. 13 flags today. I hate you for that. Why are you doing that? Oh, not again. I hate to I hate to replace myself actually again to something maybe getting better or... Oh, come on. What the fuck? Is the game music playing again? Hey, you piece of shit ass wide open game. Stop doing this. Fucking sake, I hate you game. I can't believe this, man. Let's do it again. I don't know what happened after that. I just don't want to actually... fucking crap. A son of a... Even though losing actually players. Whatever. I'm not even getting followers today. Oh, I get for 3 hours ago. Sober meal. A sober meal. I thought sober the call is actually a sober with 2B. I'm the only trending guy in here. Holding die Stange. Synchronous says he does PvP career, your master lost. What the hell he's talking? He's the only guy actually loading up videos. Should I upload some video? Upload actually some picture? No, thank you. I don't need. Yeah, sure. You the store. Crack is this. It's 10:30 now. Should stop actually. Yeah, wow, wonderful. Nobody's watching anymore. crazy crap. I'm watching, they watching, my cell phone is watching, but I got 0 watches. Oh, fuck life. Something was just happened. Oh, it's gonna be a long night, my friend. That nobody's watching pisses me off 120 minutes on Lightroom. Then maybe say, you're just cruel, you're a piece of shit. Volksplatzrennen. Let's do all over again. Oh, come on, who the hell is parking actually there? Oh, he was stopping. Oh, my cigarette is burning myself. So nobody's watching anyway. 0 watches, but actually having my desktop computer and my cell phone on. That's weird. Ce am capaz na jogo se liso do proteína expim. Nobody's watching. I should actually close down the file. It happened again. Oh crap. I have a bad deja vu. What the hell is that? People don't like actually sitting on the floor, they need chairs now. What the hell was that? Perfect. Oh gosh. Speechless. Again, sleepy. I'm hungry in the same time. But there's 2 beers actually open. Happy Donmas. Drip the drip drip drip. How you doing? Glitzer, glitzer, glitzer. What do we have? 21, 28. All right. Nobody's watching anymore because nobody's watching chess anymore. What happened? 1% of 100% is just good, right? Oh, is it a 10%? It's a 10%. Oh, I'm not sure. You can deal down the one. It's the tornado. What in the bubble that we have left and right down. Can't pump the car up. No, not possible then. You can't. Damn it. But look at that, we get a 600k. That's cool. You need that for the game. Cheers up. Something for you, my friend. When I can go for that, here we go. Let's just let you know, actually, you have to play for something, you maybe get a blueprint. Nope. There's these cards you can pump up. Avenged Sevenfold. What the fuck is this? The Grim Reaper. Oh crap, really? Now hurry up. Nandeska. That's all? Oh, you really fucked it up. Oh my gosh, Nitro time. Yeah, I couldn't deal down that one. That's definitely sure. Get down below. Here we go. Saying 9%, I was saying 10%. I'm a bastard. The full throttle. Throttle? Throttle. Enjoy yourself. Is ook fijn als wat het is, so it's ook past the next film. It's a tornado, Sternhagelrich Brew. Train is driving, goddammit. Yeah. I have a 90 degrees corner. Oh my god. That hurt. Neck breaks, spines breaking, blood through the throat, eyes popping up, and 90 degrees on a train. Oh, holy crap. Did I saw that right? Oh my goodness. Ouch. That much money. 24 plus. Okay. Here we go. guess what? It's the same. You really want to try that one? I'm in a full. What's that? You can actually the car. Oh, okay. With these Evo upgrade stuff, but I have to pump up the car to a star up free. Blah blah blah. They're talking. The doors to hell just opened up. Can I drink my alcohol juice, please? Cheers. Campagner så vi så lite så du ska på ditt next stream. Skål. It's gonna be a close one. A 60-40 actually to win. So it's nothing, right? 50-50 is more like. Wow, winning? Oh my god. Thanks to these shortcuts, I know about these, what's it calling? Touch drive. I know these shortcuts. Wonderful. Crazy, I'm so calmed down today. I thought I'm losing. Yeah, definitely. 60% I'm losing, 40% I'm winning. Wow. Couldn't bet on myself. I'm doing the shortcuts from the touch drive I learned. My second account in this game. What the fuck? Fantastic. Nice one. A 35 seconds? That feels like actually 1.5 minutes. Holy shit. Nah. Can have it. For such good action, you just get a lot of money. Da wird 1000 geschissen oder was? Camera LT. Oh buddy, you have the deal done again. Now it's actually a kind of a chance to 20% win and 80% lose. You should change something, but it's a 111 asphalty tokens. I don't want to change something in there. Camp high. A win-win chance or a 3 times losing chance? Where the fuck you wanna go? And I'll be losing. Oh shit, man. Bastard. What the fuck, you winning? No way. That was hardcore, man. Nice. Don't touch something. Don't turn around 360 or something. Muscle cars. Unlimited actually feels like endurance. Speed. Not like the European cars, the exotic cars. they stop by 180 miles or something. The gear is longer as that they have in America. I love that very much. Power engine. Love that. Yeah, I'm going to toilet again. Grabbing already my balls and saying, yo, you need to pee. And these balls are saying, I'm out of juice. Oh my gosh. Getting on to these 40 years, goddammit. Taking these stupid heart pills 4 times a day. What the fuck? To call my doctor tomorrow. 144 was it today instead of 191 for 3.5 weeks ago. These pills are working. Did they gamma blocker or something, ATTSA? But I'm telling my doctor that I'm drinking again after 17 days. He will be shocked and saying, I told you, blah blah blah. He's talking like actually a robot then. But without that, I can't get the pain down his throat. And I'm calm as shit. It takes a long time, goddammit. How many beers I was drinking then? That was just 1 beer before actually I was on this drill again. Holy moly. Lick your leg? Is that the song? Lick your leg. Weird song. Hands to the head and lick your leg. What? I think it's very annoying loud, and I hope so much actually people didn't listen to myself. Stupid hurricane stuff. It's still a bug. It's still a shit glitch. No, it's actually a broken game. Just a broken game. What the fuck? Until the end? Oh wow. That's crazy. Money cash in here. Win the race. Done 4 times. I can't believe it. Now finally the Mr. Jugger. Okay, there's level D and C. It's a low budget actually C level. And also on the D level. Let's try. Cheers up. Oh, that music is awesome. Aerodynamic Dubcap remix on DJ Rudderby. Bingolito! Ja, ist noch kaltes Bier, das musst du leider trinken. Dann können wir Feierabend machen. Also braucht es noch eine halbe Stunde. Na. Ich dachte irgendwie 9:30 soll ich schlafen gehen. Wird wieder nix. Ich hab kein Pein. Na schau, wie sie so das Gold braucht die nicht spielen. Ah, that's a new one. That's fine. Perfekte Kübel getroffen. Leck mir mal. Eingesumpft. Wird schon. Final of the bridge. So we have actually. Oh gosh, it's police. Have some fun with them. Maybe. Oh, come on, dude. Another one. Time's ticking, Yamamoto. Okay, I understand that. Everything's good. 2 cars versus 1, they won. Immediately from 3 watchers, 1 watcher. Unbelievable. They can't take it or something. Plan B. If this plan B is not working, then plan C. Hunted. Have a nice time. Thank you very much. Then let me know if you go to sleep, like something, have fun, or whatever you're dealing down there. Where are you? What the hell he was driving at? Why I can't kill them anymore? What kind of bullshit is this? Huh? Why I can't kill them anymore? Hey, what the fuck? No Nitrous can kill them? No, 360 can't kill them? What? What is this? This game is destroyed. Something's changed. The upgrade or update was for 4 hours ago. What they just did? Ah, these Frost guys. Seriously, they're making stuff up we don't like. We can't go forward. We need to pay money with this shit game. Hey, 1 try and then I'm out. I'm completely out. So I can't destroy the vehicles, the police vehicles anymore with 360 and Violet, Nitro, whatever it is. Okay, good. So, what fuck off. I'm out of here. My controller is off. Let the AI dealing done that stuff. And I promise you we get fucked up anyway. Even you drive by yourself, you get fucked up. Okay, I don't do something else anymore. What a piece of shit game. The first 2 weeks it was awesome. Now in the 14th week and they just changed 8 times the rules. fucking Frost. I can't kill this cop car anymore then. And why? What kind of an asshole shit is this? Here we go again. Wow, they're going until the least and barrier. You asshole. What is this game? This upgrade or update just destroyed everything in this game. I was beloved in the hunting mode. You can't kick them, you can't slam them, 360, you can't actually give no perfect nitro anymore. What the hell? Fuck you, Frost. Fuck you, Frost, with this game. This is beginner level, and I started up for 1.5 weeks ago. This account, this is the 4th episode by the way, by kind of 12 hours now. It was working. Since 4 hours ago, it was working maybe. Then there was an update on the console for this game. Asphalt Legend Unite up your ass. Now we can change nothing anymore. You can't hit them with the perfect nitro. If you just 360, you can't hit them. They don't broken. Oh yeah, and you get less money reward? I don't know what that means. What a disaster. This game developers should actually get shot in the head. For what? They're thinking actually we get more stuff or something? We get less stuff until actually December now. And they're coming up with these ideas. I hate you assholes. Seriously. Fuck you, Frost. We in Germany, we're making everything right with the emission, the atomic plants, and trying everything actually getting to green. And the neighbors on European, German neighbors, they're making everything wrong. But we are the worst on all over the world. You piece of son of a fuck, you Frost. You're the worst, Frost. The worst. One smoke and I'm gone. Fuck this game. Work is more important for me. Roll up your ass. I think for real, Putin is the best friend for European, but actually better say for Germany only, and Denmark, and that's all. Fuck Austria. Fucking gay hood and actually child molesters in Australia. Austria, I mean. In Australia maybe as well. Can give the hands actually to Joe Biden. Unbelievable. Kannst du hin und her wählen, deine 4800 kannst du dir in den Arsch rausdrücken. What the fuck you want from me, you fucking scamming shit game? I feel uncomfortable, I just want to quit the game and you coming with commercial. Get away! Wow, this is just a stupid game, right? Hey, you know what the fuck? I just gotta pee again, and this game should run by itself. Doesn't matter what kind of coming up in here. What a piece of shit, goddammit! You came so much forward, and you're seeing running into your face actually a scam lawine. Fuck it! I'm gone. Let it run by itself. I don't care if you're winning. What a piece of crap! They never won a fucking war. Never won actually a prize for good video games as well. They're sleeping with his own mothers, these politics. Incest fucking frauds. Let all the black guys from Africa in. These are helpless as crap. I wanna stand up right now on my toilet to pee into this. Full level 1.80 meters. Das gebe ich ihm nicht. Aber da kann man auch schon, wann er Geburtstag hatte und gibt es Monster Energy Drink. Chili Bananen. Mit der Schiene drauf. Ja. Wann hat er gehabt? Im September am 25. Verdammt! Ich glaube, ich habe ihn nicht immer geschrieben. Scheißdreck hier. You have not enough resources. Oh, fuck yourself. What was that? Come on! So close. I'm sorry, my mistake. Another one. Bingolito. Make some space for sake. What's that? Komplett ausgelassen. Whoa, that's gonna be a super close one. I wanna take it on. I'm a specialist of being a super hater as well. Yeah. Was hast du jetzt gemacht, du Hurensohn? Wieso? Boah, nein, 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 nein. Du bist mir einer. Ah, der war ständig an der Spitze, ich konnte ihn nicht erwischen. Wenn der Sechste losstartet, soll es das Erste ins Ziel sein. Haben dieselbe Kraft wie ich. Was soll wohl passieren? Verpiss dich. Verpiss dich mit dem Scheiß. Hör auf damit, jedes Mal für Fort zu graben, als wäre der größte Loser. Gibt's andere Optionen, verdammt nochmal. Ich geb doch nicht einfach auf. Was ist das für eine Scheiße, Alter? Könnt ihr mir gleich einen Ladenschuss geben, Alter. Die Scheiße gibt's bei mir nicht. Mach's richtig, Mann. Aufgeben kannst du später, wenn du stirbst und dein Herz versaugt. Deine Lunge und deine Leber verkackt. Die Pillen darunter ziehen, brauche ich nicht aufgeben. Ich habe in meinem Leben komplett schon gekämpft mit meinem 6. Lebensjahr, Alter. Kraft. Jetzt muss ich betteln drum, Alter. Oh, 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 oh. Is that 3 times? I don't wanna have it. Jetzt muss ich schauen, wo ich bleibe. Ich komme schon wie ein Behinderter vor, dass mir ständig schwindelig wird wegen der Tabletten. Glaubt mir doch eh keine Sau, aber es ist halt so. Sie benötigen noch. Ja, ja. Deine Mutter benötigt auch langsam Windeln. Alter, schwache Leute. 10% less aim leakage. Det stopper mig nog 20 år. Måste mig fortsätta in. Headed through that fucking sick. Get the last aim leakage. Oh my god. Mad TV. Wie ze zo. Yes, that's what the hell. Perfect. Nobody cares. No likes, no subscribes, no followers, nothing happened. Totally, definitely people's watching. They're saying, I'm toddler. Between 1 and 8 years old. Thanks for watching, then go to school. Sleep now. Get your cell phone out. Been happy actually having no way to work right now in your lousy age. We're all supposed to working at this age, but oh gosh. You actually our future. You are nothing like dust anymore. You're the first generation in the future actually. Not can pay the second or first future peoples anymore. And on the minus third generation. The future is getting darker and darker actually into the renticle stuff. We are fucked for even the next generation already, and you are 4th generation forward. Wonderful. Oh, look at that! We have another car, the home age. Hello, sweetheart. Sexy, you're coming back, finally, from Canada, America to Europe in 1.5 years with a new upgrade. Uh-huh. What does that mean? Oh, we can't play anyway, they're home age. They give us blueprints for home age, but can't play. Why is this car so strong? It's an Evo 37. It's a Lancia normally. Let's just call it Chimera. Huh. Holy shit, this car is fast. Lightweight? No, yeah, it's actually a lightweight as well. 750 kilograms. But what the fuck? Why so strong? Holy shit. It's bullshit. It's actually European. Great Britain. versus American Muscle. This is bullshit. When I have money, I just want to go forward something else. Let's see what's coming up in here. I'm in trust with that vehicle. Have the hell. What's that calling? Hellcat engine. Powerful SRT, actually engine with 8 cylinders. That would have even done with 600 horsepower by itself. What about a turbo compressor action? Get away! Get away! Ah, couldn't you have done that stuff? Who's far? Oh! I thought, who's faster? Okay. Ah, fucked it up again. You piece of train. Come on, I reserve tires, right? You lost tires. Get away from my fucking news. The third train? Oh, fuck it. Are you stupid and retarded? Ah, mother, chalk in hell, this stupid car. Ah, whatever, we're moving. Ah, it's not easy. Level up, we get a trophy, finally. And crushed, we get 2 trophies in one. What's that trophy dealing down with? So you have to knock out 50 traffic knockdowns, and your reputation was going to 10. After actually the 4th live stream. Wow. Did a lot actually. Whoa. Yeah, maybe no. Let's go to toilet again. Next time you have to win, man. To warm up? Perfect. Man, I'm myself a sweetheart. And I've already a surprise for tomorrow. Some construction worker, because I totally forgot his birthday, about 25th September. I think I didn't wrote him. And since actually this week, 3 days, I was working with him. I'm an idiot. How could I forget that one? Fucking shit. But these other colleague actually was making me brain problems, breaking problems. But that's why I forgot it. Ah, thanks. No. I have a surprise for you Make the perfect sausage. I wonder myself that my lung is not falling together actually and gluing together, and I'm dying actually after 5 minutes or 12 minutes before with the brain death. Yeah, it's my conscience about actually live listening on myself. I say so. We have actually more. Jeez, I think on everything when I'm drunk or not drunk. What the fuck? I have not even a wife, not even actually family. There we go. Have it. What the fuck? And you still have 4 of them. That's why the catch up tomorrow. I mean, in 2 days. It's 22:30. 22:20. Intelligent. Enjoy my beer. Die Stadt der Bucht. There's only one challenge to be done with, and this is this car. 90 seconds. God damn it, let me actually drink the beer. If you're pressing, it's already there. My lost race. A second lost race. Gambarimasu. Oh my gosh. That's a Corvette, isn't it, in the front of us? ATR. What the fuck was that? And we won. Bye bye, bye bye, Viper ACR. I'm sorry. I say all the time Corvette. I'm so sorry. It's a Viper, and this engine is massive. Close to be actually an 8.2 cylinder, 8.2 liter engine. It's one of the biggest engines on all over the world since more than 35 years now. A Viper ACR, holy shit! Don't actually, I beat it. Oh my gosh. I think I have to smoke another one. Yeah, the Viper is missing in here. I can't play it. Yeah, there's the Viper. The Dodge Viper ACR. Massive good car. Starts up by 1,500. What the fuck? I mean, I can have it. Never. That should be a close one in here. So, with the smoking. Last drink, last race. Everything cleaned up. Last race, thank you very much for having you. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Ah, mother in hell! Yeah, whatever. I'm gone. Have a nice time. Thank you very much to have you guys, and thank you very much for watching and trying actually to not liking something in here. You're bastards.
Next time pop up a like. Emoji enraged face, emoji face with symbols on mouth, emoji starstruck.
Have a nice time. Thank you very much to have you, and please next time likes. If you're watching, make a like or dislike, not just watching, because when somebody's watching and then I feel like you're just toddlers. You're not even born or something. You're just childish. Get an account on YouTube and Spotify, goddammit. Have a nice time. Bye bye.